Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make enchiladas with flour tortillas. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of cooked protein, like shredded chicken or ground beef, along with 2 cups of your preferred enchilada sauce. Make sure you have 12 8-inch flour tortillas on hand. These simple components are the foundation for a delicious and satisfying meal that's surprisingly easy to prepare at home. Let's get cooking. Now, let's prepare our filling and tortillas. Combine your cooked chicken or beef with about 1/4 cup of the enchilada sauce and 1 cup of shredded cheese. This mixture will be the heart of your enchiladas. Next, gently warm your flour tortillas. You can do this quickly in the microwave for about 15 seconds or on a dry skillet for a few moments per side. Warming them makes them pliable and prevents tearing during rolling. This step is crucial for perfect enchiladas. It's time to assemble our delicious enchiladas. First, spread a thin layer of your enchilada sauce on the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. This prevents sticking and adds flavor. Take each warm tortilla, spoon about 1/4 cup of the filling down the center, and roll it up tightly. Place the rolled tortillas seam side down in your prepared dish. Pour the remaining enchilada sauce evenly over them, then sprinkle generously with more shredded cheese. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Once baked, let your enchiladas rest for about 5 minutes before serving. This allows the cheese to set and makes them easier to handle. Garnish with your favorite toppings like fresh cilantro, a dollop of sour cream, or some sliced avocado for extra flavor and presentation. These homemade enchiladas are perfect for family dinners or entertaining guests. They're a comforting and flavorful meal everyone will love. Be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.